How to download Roblox on your PC. Step 1. Open your browser and type Roblox into the search bar, then press enter. You'll see a list of results. Look for the first link that says something like Roblox official website and click on it. This will take you to Roblox's homepage, where the magic begins. Now, if you're new to Roblox, you'll need to sign up for an account. On the landing page, you'll see a sign-up form. Fill in your details. Enter your birthday. Don't forget this. It helps keep your account secure. Choose a unique username. Make it fun, but make sure it's available. Create a strong password that you'll remember. Select your gender, then click Sign Up. Pro tip, write down your username and password somewhere safe because you'll need them in just a moment. Once you've signed up, you'll be redirected to the Roblox homepage where you'll see a wide variety of games. Take a moment to browse through the options. Roblox has something for everyone. When you find a game that interests you, click on it to open the game's page. On the game's page, look for the green play button or a similar icon. It might look like a controller or a play symbol. Click on it. At this point, a pop-up will appear. Click on download and install Roblox to begin the process. Once the setup file is downloaded, find the file in your downloads folder. Double-click on it to open the installer. Roblox will now start installing. This might take a few moments, so sit tight and be patient. You'll see progress indicators as the installation completes. After the installation is finished, a login screen will appear. Log in using the username and password you created earlier. Once you're logged in, go back to the game you selected earlier and click on the play button again. This time, the Roblox player will automatically launch and the game will start loading. Now, before you dive into the game, take a moment to explore the settings. Roblox allows you to customize certain features like graphics quality, sound, and more. Adjust these settings to optimize your experience. And that's it. You've successfully downloaded, installed, and set up Roblox on your PC. Now, you're ready to explore endless games, build your worlds, and enjoy everything Roblox has to offer. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials. Happy gaming, and I'll see you in the next one.